Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost and save some money. Get this fast shipped to you. All you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and make sure you grab some ink cartridges. They got double XL and single XL. And here we go, Canon. This is the Pixma TS9120 wireless, a whole 9 yards. This has all the bells and whistles. You can make your own greeting cards. Pretty much anything you want to do on this one you can. Wireless connection, print, copy, scan. And down here, 280, 281. Standard XL, double XL, 6 cartridges. There's those. And another cool feature is Blu-ray, DVD, CD, burning images onto it. Really cool. And a huge screen, 5-inch screen. For a printer, that is pretty huge. Definitely excited to show you guys this. Got my photo paper ready on the top loader, or you could load it at the bottom. Here is the front, nice looking gray with this black. Got the Canon logo right there. Wireless. I'm using the cord. Excuse the mess. I haven't had a chance to clean it up and set it up yet, but it's kind of dark right there, so more light out here. And we got that running with the cord. I don't use the wireless too much, so we're just gonna keep it plain and simple, easy to install for any age. It comes with the disc. You just got to load it on. Oh. So here's the magic happens. There's the ink cartridges right there, doing its action right there. Nice screen. Boom. Here's a scanner. You can see the Canon logo right there in the middle. Right there. There's that. Make sure that's closed. That lifts right there. You can adjust the settings. Let me see if I can adjust this part. There we go. Glossy. You can choose so many options. Glossy, matted, envelope, inkjet, high-res paper, others. Yeah, we're doing glossy, semi-gloss. So register it. And I didn't know these called cassettes. I didn't know that. Down at the bottom, that's where you load the front paper. I'll show you once we test run the printing. So really cool. Watch this. I did a few test runs. I made a mistake. I forgot which way the paper goes. But now I know how to fix it. And we're gonna run this thing. Give it, oh, come on. I feel it going bad. There we go. I don't need Grammarly. Okay, so we're gonna print a photo on there. It's gonna go right here. And watch this magic. So hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying home and staying safe. This would be a great Father's Day gift to give, housewarming gift to yourself. Watch this. Any second. It has the ink levels down at the bottom, as you can see right there. Watch. Boom. It's like Transformers. There it goes. And it's super quiet too. Listen to that. Ooh. That's a good sound you want to hear. That is for sure gonna have a nice image. Coming out right around there. Here it comes. Now I can show you the programs that I got that came with the disc. And look at that. Just to contrast a little bit. There we go. Dries instantly. Oof, look at that. Anyone could guess what it is? Look at the sky. Oh, baby. Yeah, this is some good quality ink right now. But you can always upgrade it. They got so many different ink companies out. So just make sure you get the right ones and double check and read about it. And they are the 280, 281 style. Wow, look at that. Dang. That is too good. Look at that. That is insane. I might have to get some Canon paper. I'm just using some HP gloss 8x10. But that is really nice. We got Dodger Stadium right there. I hope baseball comes back with some kind of sports. I'm not a big golf fan, but I don't know. It is what it is, guys. But we're gonna hop onto the computer and show you the goodies on that side. But now we can take this. We already seen that, what it looks like underneath there. And then these are called cassettes. This is where the DVD Blu-ray goes. You can see the groove right here. All you gotta do is put the disc in. Oops. Put it in, slide it in, and it'll pop up with scan or whatnot to copy on it. I don't have any burned or blank DVDs, or I toss them out, so I just don't have a use for it. Great for anyone that does that, for musicians, and put your own album cover right onto it. Family pictures, family weddings, you name it. This would be a good one to get to do. We got a lot of free time to mess around with stuff like this now. So options, we got the maintenance. Oops, you can't see. Estimated ink levels, system info. Update is maintenance would be like updates, firmware, stuff like that. Copy, scan, wireless, Airprint. That's for your iPhones or your iPads. They got the more pretty technology for the picture quality, which is pretty impressive though. I'll say that's really good. It's like you see it at a store. Look at that gloss. Yeah, this is nice. So like I said, Canon Pixma TS9120. We're gonna hop over to the computer in about 2 seconds. Alright guys, we're back on the desk. Here is one of the applications they have that came with the disc. There it goes. So you got a lot of cool, whoops. 100. We have creative, and that's too much glare. Get in a little closer. We got the creative, park premium, video, layout, print, disc label print. So that's what you want to get into. It would be this. Should be. There we go. My image garden. I'm going to do add. I don't got that many photos. I just gotta clean up more. Oh wow. So once you find the design you want, this is sweet. See, it's gonna load. There we go. Choose your layout. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, this is gonna be a long video. Sorry about that, but a lot of cool features to show on this printer. Scan settings, photo scan. So really cool, guys. Check it out. Get them now before they sell out. Get it fast shipped to you. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Be safe. See you tomorrow.